walking to the beach now. We've just left the little village, and there's a hotel in the distance. It's going to take about 30 minutes. We've been walking about 10 minutes now, so we've got about 20 minutes left. So I thought I'd show you this beautiful scenery around here. I mean, you know, I know I keep saying it, I'm like a broken record, but it really is beautiful here. And this is the place or the kind of place, let's say, I'd like to end up for good. And like I said, I think in an earlier video, I'm going to stay in a hotel overnight. It's not very much for the room, so, and it's next to the beach, and it's got a swimming pool and different facilities, so that's what we're going to do. So it's about a 30-minute walk, and we've just had some coconuts cut down off a tree fresh for later on, because we're going to have a barbecue on the beach, fire and stuff later on, so I'll video a little bit of that. I think the weather yesterday was atrocious, and today clear skies, so looks like it's going to be a lovely day. So nice day to swim, etc. So see you a bit later on. Right, I've made it without coughing my breakfast up. Yeah, actually it's actually quite a walk, and I didn't realise this hotel's quite isolated, so you can actually get here on a 4x4, and once the new road's completed from Naga to here, I suppose this hotel will become more busy. That said, I'm not there yet, so it could be busy, I'm not sure, but this is like the first few minutes run up to the hotel, and as you can hear, it's been quite a long and hot walk, but this is where I'm going to be staying. And there's the sea. Morning. So any Tagalog words I learnt is basically redundant here. Well, not totally redundant, because they still understand a bit of Tagalog. Look at that. How cool's that? So I'll be spending the day on the beach, drinking coconut, then a fire later on tonight, and we'll be having a barbecue. Got lots of marinated chicken and different stuff, and skewers. So look at that.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Jet skis as well. There you go. I think you can see the like sandbanks over there. I know it's hard to see with the GoPro in the distance, but take my word for it. I'll be taking a little bit of video later on anyway of the beach and stuff, obviously, so you'll see it. So I guess this place has been built because it's quite new-ish. For when the new road gets put through, they'll get a lot more visitors, I would imagine. But it's quite isolated, at least from the village where I've come from. I've got a feeling there's nobody, if only a few in the hotel. So we'll soon see anyway. So you wake up early in the morning, you're on the balcony with a coffee and whatever you like to drink in the morning, fruit juice, and this is the view from your window. Now I've got to this hotel and it's absolutely empty. But I'm not surprised, because I was wondering, you know, how on earth do people find it? How do they get to it? I'm not sure there'd be many retired people want to walk half a mile with all the luggage and what have you to get here. But no, I'm sure there's a way of doing it without that, but I don't, we've not spoke to anybody, so I don't know how you do it. But I mean, how brilliant's this? Isn't this what everybody dreams of? Even just for a holiday, let alone, you know, to retire and put your feet up. I'd love something like this, really love it. There's a great big lake over there in the distance, some kind of Nipa and pier. Only a short walk to the beach there. Apparently there's a Nipa sort of shop thing, but it's like, well, how do they make money? You know, if there's no tourists, if there's no guests. So we'll have to see, but how you could not be relaxed here, I just don't know. It's brilliant, so cool. And literally cool as well. I'm on the balcony, there's a nice little breeze and it's very comfortable.